What if I told you, you could eliminate kitchen smoke, grease, and odors without an ugly range hood? Astonished face in this video, I reveal the top 4 best downdraft cooktops of 2025, including one underrated model that sucks air better than a $2,000 hood. Cyclones, stick around because the number 2 pick is a total game changer, and yes, you can buy them today. All links below. Let's get cooking. Number 1. Electric Cooktop 30-inch 5-burner. 5 cooking zones. Electric Cooktop 30-inch is equipped with steady heat technology to deliver constant heat at any temperature for more precise cooking control. The ceramic cooktop 5 burners reaches high power output of 8200 W, 1.2 kW plus 1.6 kW plus 1.8 kW plus 2.4 kW, dual, plus 1.2 kW. Built-in cooktop need to be connected to hardwired, 220-240V. Multiple protection functions, AMZCHEF's premium 30 inches. Radiant cooktop has multiple protection functions, including child lock, 99 timer, residual heat indicator, overheating protection and auto shutdown. Electric stove top, with guaranteed quality, has undergone rigorous testing, and is an absolutely safe electric cooktop. 9 power levels for electric burner. Enjoy 9 heat levels for a variety in cooking, from a high heat for boiling, frying or a low simmer for the most delicate sauces. AMZCHEF cooktops truly are style and convenience in perfect harmony. Number 2. AMZCHEF 30-inch electric cooktop. 2x1200 W and 2x2300 W, 240V/60 Hz. The 4 burners are with independent knob control and with reasonable spacing layout. It can heat up quickly and help to prepare different delicious foods at the same time. Save time and energy. For burners cooktops with knob control, the ceramic cooktop has a heating level from small fire to fast boiling. Just rotate the knob to control the power for boiling, stewing, frying, searing, simmer, make cooking more enjoyable. Safety built-in electric cooktop. AMZCHEF built-in ceramic cooktop designed for safety. We have ETL safety certified, overheating protection, hot surface indicator, and pan and pot detection. With an overheating protection device, the cooktop can be automatically shut down when an excessive internal temperature is monitored. Hot surface indicator will remind you the cooktop is overheat. Number 3. ThermalMate Heavy 36-inch gas cooktop. The SABAF burners consume less gas, ensuring consistent flame, with 1x13 000 BTU wok burner, 1x10 300 BTU rapid burner, 2x7 000 BTU semi-rapid burner, 1x4 000 BTU auxiliary burner. Each burner distribute even heat to meet a variety of cooking demand, such as simmer, fry, stir-frying, roast, steaming, boil, melting, or caramelizing. Thermocouple and CSA. This 36-inch NG/LPG gas stovetop has CSA certified gas pressure regulator, equipped with a thermocouple flameout protection technology, FFD, automatically turning off gas when no flame is detected. Prevent accidental touch by children with ignition controlled by a push-type rotary switch. 1 minute to clean. 0.03-inch number 304 stainless steel integrally molded panel and removable dishwasher-safe cast iron grates designed for effortless cleanup, resist stains and discoloration. Sealed burners keep the food residue away. 5 minutes to install. Please verify the gas hob is the right size for you. Product size: 36-inch W x 20.67 D x 1.73 H. Cutout size: 34.68 W x 19.33 D, 120V AC pulse ignition with 3.9 feet, 1.2 meters, power cord for quick connection. Number 4. Nox Done 2-burner electric cooktop. Double high power burners 1800 W and 1200 W with independent touch control panel, heat faster and more energy efficient. Compatible with all cooking 9 power level settings. It has a heating level from small fire to fast boiling, accurate and easy temperature changes at the touch of a button, boil, stew, fry, stir-fry, switch from one mode to another as needed, making cooking easy and enjoyable. Suitable for all pans: iron, aluminum, ceramic, stainless steel, copper, heat-resistant glass, as long as a pan. It can also be equipped with baking trays, grilled nets for barbecue. Note: general glass may crack. It is better to avoid heating at the highest temperature for multiple times. Vitro ceramic glass: black polished glass plate design, more durable and easy to clean, high temperature resistance, looks classic and elegant. Bring the combination of stylish and classic for your kitchen. Come with scraper. Boom! Dashing away. Now you know the best downdraft cooktops to upgrade your kitchen. Which one's going in your home? Comment below. Down arrow if this video saved you from smoky kitchens. Smash that like button, red heart, share with a friend who's remodeling, and subscribe for more genius home upgrades. House with garden. All purchase links. Check the description. ****, backhand index pointing down. See you next time.